Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're taking a closer look at the all-new 2024 BMW 530i xDrive. This sedan is a blend of elegance, performance, and all-weather capability, making it a compelling choice for the discerning driver. Under the hood, you'll find a punchy 2.0-liter twin-power turbocharged inline four-cylinder engine that puts out 255 horsepower and 295 pounds-feet of torque. Now, that might not sound like a ton, but thanks to a new 48-volt mild hybrid system, acceleration is brisk, with a 0 to 60 miles per hour time of around 5.9 seconds. This engine is paired with a smooth shifting 8-speed automatic transmission, and you can choose between rear-wheel drive or the xDrive all-wheel drive system we're featuring today. The 530i xDrive strikes a great balance between comfort and sporty handling. The standard suspension provides a confident ride, while the optional M Sport package adds a touch more stiffness for those who love taking corners with gusto. Plus, with all-wheel drive, you get enhanced grip and stability in all-weather conditions. Interior: step inside the 530i's cabin, and you're greeted by a luxurious and tech-laden environment. The high-quality materials and meticulous craftsmanship showcase the brand's commitment to luxury. A large central touchscreen controls the latest BMW infotainment system, which is intuitive and feature-rich. The digital instrument cluster keeps you informed, and you can customize the display to your preferences. The 2024 530i comes loaded with advanced driver assistance systems, including automatic emergency braking, lane departure warning, and adaptive cruise control. These features make your drive safer and more relaxing. Overall, the 2024 BMW 530i xDrive is a compelling choice for the mid-size luxury sedan segment. It offers a potent and refined driving experience, a luxurious and comfortable interior, and a comprehensive suite of safety features. Whether you're a daily commuter or a weekend enthusiast, the 530i xDrive has something to offer. So, if you're in the market for a luxurious and capable sedan that delivers a thrilling driving experience, then the 2024 BMW 530i xDrive deserves a closer look. In the comments below, let us know what questions you have about the 2024 BMW 530i xDrive. Thanks for watching. I hope this helps.